Cast Harmony by Hanayama, where the goal is to separate these two pieces. We have the golden piece with the word harmony and nothing Hanayama. Alors, we have the silver piece, nothing it's writing on it. Alors, for the orientations of the piece, the golden piece, you're going to flip the piece. We don't want to see the word Hanayama. Alors, this is the orientations of the silver piece. Alors, the first move will be to place this part of the silver piece inside of the big loop. Now, all you can do is just turn the piece and push the piece inside. Okay, when you are here, this part of the silver piece going pass below this part slightly because this isn't the way. We just need to have the right positions. Okay, this way, like you can see. When you are here, this silver piece going pass through this small loop. To do that, it's really easy. You just push the silver piece. And now the silver piece is going to move along this part, like you can see. We just move along. We just turn the piece until we reach these positions, and it's easy to separate. And that's the way to separate these two pieces. Alors, to put back, we have the golden piece in this position, silver piece will be in these positions. This part of the silver piece is going to go inside of the big loop, this way. When you are here, this part going to move around this part, like that. Now we just bring back the silver piece along the loop. Don't just go up, just turn the piece until we reach these positions. And now you're going to push on the silver piece in such way that pass through this small loop. So normally just a little push. And now this part going to move along the golden piece, so just slide the piece up until we can catch the end of the silver piece. And that's the way to solve cast harmony.